Before you can analyze and or create graph using Excel, you must enter your data into the spreadsheet. This is done easily by clicking onto the cell that you would like to enter the data in, and you just start typing. This area here where we have all the students labeled, actually the labels going across are going to be colors, so I will label this cell colors. Type onto the next cell, this is my red, and so on. Type in green, blue, yellow, orange, and my last column is going to be my total column, so I'll go ahead and type total. I have one more student data that I would like to enter, which is student number 5, and I'll go ahead and enter that information in now. And for student number 5, I had 3 reds, 4 greens, 4 browns, 4 yellows, 6 orange, and 2 blue. Once you have all your data entered, now you want to start doing some calculations using your data. The first thing I would like to do is get the sum. So I would like to get the sum of reds, greens, blue, yellow, orange, etc. So I'm going to type sum. Then I'm going to scroll over, and right underneath the red, I'm going to actually, you can put in a formula, or you can actually go to the summation tab, which is located at the top here. Click on the tab, and if you notice, an equation already comes up for you. You also will notice that they've highlighted some data points for you. Cell 7 is included in that data point. However, we have no number in cell 7. So you can either adjust by actually clicking at the top, backspacing to delete number 7, and put 6. Then hit enter. That's one way. Or the other way, go to summation button again. You can go and you can actually drag and highlight. You're holding down the mouse, drag and highlight, release the mouse, hit enter. So there's 2 ways you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and find the summation of all of my colors. The yellow. Go to the cell first, hit summation, highlight, drag, hit enter. Go to the cell, hit summation, highlight, drag, hit enter. And for the last one, blue, go to the summation, highlight, drag, hit enter. Now I actually have the summation for all of my color candies, the red, the green, the blue, the brown, the yellow, and the orange. The next thing I would like to do is actually get a percentage of each one of the colors. First thing you want to do is label your data. And then you want to go ahead and calculate the percentage of each of the color. I would like for each one of these cells to actually come up with a percent number. So I'm going to highlight the data entry that I would like for it to be percentage. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to actually hit the percentage button. Now I'm going to go and actually calculate the percentage of each of my color candies. I'm going to hit equal to represent that a formula is going to be put in. And I'm going to take 18. Before you can do that, you have to get your totals. So just like I did the sum, I'm going to do the totals. I'm actually going to do summation, hit enter, and I'm going to do that for each student. And if you notice, it did not highlight it, so be careful. I have to actually go and highlight it myself. Hit enter. And now it wants the actually summation above, the cells above, but you can change that and go and highlight. Now that I have the totals, I need a total summation in order to do percentage. So I'm going to hit summation once again. And this time I actually want the total number of candies that I actually had. And my total is 107. Now that I have my total, I can go and calculate my percentage. I'm going to hit the equal on the keyboard. And if you notice, the equal sign shows up here. And I actually want to take 18, which is the total number of reds, the sum. And I'm going to divide it by the total number of candies I counted up, which is 107. So I'm going to click on 107. Oh, sorry. Go back. Delete that. Click on 18. Now you must hit divide, which is the backslash. Then hit 107, which is cell H8. Then hit enter. And if you notice, percentage came up automatically, and that's because I highlighted all of the cells and I hit the percentage button over here. So I'm going to continue and do that for each one. 17 divided 107, enter, equal 16 divided by 107. You continue this for each color. And the last color, blue, equal G8 divided by H8. And now I have all my percentage for each one of the colors. Now I'd like to actually find the average for each color. So the first thing you're going to do is